Hocus Pocus Lego set. 2,300 pieces. This might take a minute. Gosh. I'm just gonna dump it all out. Opening for the first time. Oh my God. So we got some stickers for everything. Oh my gosh. This is a monster of a book. Oh my goodness. See? It comes with all these really fun characters. You have the Sanderson sisters, you have Max, you have Binks, you have Allison, and then Danny's inside the house, as you'll see. This was the first part of the build, as you saw. It was kind of the graveyard scene. It has these little hinges, which is really cool. I'll move Max out of the way. But the gates kind of open, and then behind the Sanderson sisters, you have a graveyard. I don't know if you can read that, but this is Emily Binks. You have Billy Butcherson, and then this is the creator of the whole set, which is really cool. Amber, she gave herself her own little tombstone. I thought that was really, really cute. This was just like a fun build. And so here are the Sanderson sisters. This is a massive house. I'll turn it around once just so you can see it. It is super cool. We just had the movie on and the house came up and I was like, this is the same house that's on TV. The front door does open. There we go. My big fingers can't get in there so you can see inside the house. But what's really cool on this side is, remember when Binks kind of climbed up the, what do you call this? Water wheel. The smoke on top moves with it, which I think is super cool. So interactive. And then turn this around here, you can see inside the house, these two little hinges open up, lift up the roof, and that kind of sits up. And now you can see all inside the house. So you have the black flame candle.
We see Danny.
Yeah. Hey, do you want to turn on the cauldron for me? That lights up, which I think is super, super cool. Here, you can see upstairs, the two hanging cages, which is really fun. The vacuum cleaner that Mary rides. And then on this side of the house, it opens up. It actually disconnects here. Turn that around. Oh, and there's Danny inside, waiting for the sisters. When they first meet her, there's Book right there, which I think is super cool. Definitely very time consuming. We did this in about 6 hours. I love everything about it. Such a fun conversation piece because I just love the movie.